Hi guys! So this weekend marks Tsinghua's 113th anniversary celebration.
So we're inviting our friends from different countries for a chef's night to showcase their country's dishes.
Yep, so let's
go! Hi!
Okay, so you're gonna take the crab, right? Bring it to the edge of the pot, right? Take it down, make sure the angle is pointing to the floor, and then you just, okay, that was not good. It's not like, okay.
I chose this dish because I haven't made this in a while and I wanted to take this as a chance to celebrate Tsinghua's 113th year anniversary.
It's a classic traditional meal in our family, so I thought it would be perfect to make it for the Tsinghua birthday.
This is a dish of my childhood. I wanted to remember my childhood, and just like how we're gonna reminisce Tsinghua's history, this 113th anniversary.
All of international and also Chinese students like this dish.
I wanted to show something that is a staple in every Colombian home.
Tacos in Mexico are a very important dish. You can make with every kind of meat, and I think that this represents Mexico very well.
This marks the end of our chef's night, so let's wish Tsinghua happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tsinghua!